definition of plants. In the plants, how many types we have? We have terrestrial, we have, yes, we have a plants in a plains, okay, and we studied about plants in a marshy grass areas, and we studied which types of plants we grow in a terrestrial areas. We see which type of plants. We see the plants which grows in a hill and mountain, deserts, yes, plains, grasslands, marshy areas. Marshy areas means what? Radi Manu. In that, which type of plants grow we studied. We'll move on to the aquatic plants. Now we'll move on to the aquatic plant. Just to be introduced to you in the previous class, we'll move on to the aquatic plants. Aquatic means aqua. Aqua means water. I told you in the last class only. Aqua means water. Okay. Aqua means water. Okay. Aqua means water. The plants that grow in or near the areas, in the area of water, that is called as what? Aquatic plants. That is called as aquatic plants. In aquatic plants, we have three types of plants. That is floating plants, yes, fixed plants, and the one more is underwater plants. First one is floating plants. Next one is fixed. And the third one is underwater plant. Underwater plants. Okay, we have three types in aquatic. Okay, the first one, floating plants. Some aquatic plants float freely on the surface of the water. Such plants have a spongy and air. In the last class I told you, floating means it will be like a spongy, weight irangilla bada. So they can easily float on the water. Float on the water. For example, given, I told you duckfinch and the water hynich. I told you to find out in the Google. Okay, you can see the images of that both plants. Okay. The next one, fixed plant. Fixed plants means plants, lotus and water. That will be fixed bottom, fixed in the bottom section. Adru enen base irtavalla avella enagirtava water ಕೆಳಗಡೆ underground soil ಗೆ fix ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ, but they are floating upside. For example, lotus and lily, water lily. Search in Google. Okay, this also you have to search. And the next one, underwater plants. Underwater plants means they are submerged in water. ಒಳಗ ಇರ್ತಾವ, water ಒಳಗ ಮ್ಯಾಲ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ, fully submerged inside. Okay, and it have a like a grass like structure. It have a grass like a structure. For example, hydrilla and tape grass. Okay, these are the two examples for that. Okay, they given they shown the picture. See, water hynich, it looks like this. They are outside the water, but they are inside the floating. They are floating. Okay, the next one, floating ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ, ಒಂದು ಇದರಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಎದರ್ದ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು, ಕುಂಬಳಕಾಯಿ ನೋಡಿರಿ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಕುಂಬಳಕಾಯ್ದ ಒಂದು ಬೇರ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಕೋತ ಹೋಗೈತಿ, ಲೀಫ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೆಳಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಅಮೃತಬಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಅಮೃತಬಳ್ಳಿ, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಸೀನ್ ಆರ್ ಹರ್ಡ್? ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗ್ರೋ ಆನ್ ದ ವಾಲ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ರ ವಾಲಿಗೆ ಅಂಟ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವ, ಬೆಳ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವ. ದಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಬಟ್ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಹಂಗ ಬೆಳ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆನ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್. ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಅ ವಾಟರ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ಫ್ಲೋಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಲೋಟಸ್. ಲೋಟಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಅಂಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫ್ಲೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್. They are floating outside. Next one, hydrilla. Hydrilla is the grass. ನೀವು ನೀರೊಳಗೆ ನೋಡಬಹುದು, ಅದು ಹೊಲಸ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಅಯ್ಯಪ್ಪ ಏನೋ ಹೊಲಸ ಐತಿ ನೀರೊಳಗ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಬಟ್ that is not a that dirt. It is a grass. It is a grass like structure tree plants that grows inside the water. That is example for underwater plants. Now we'll move on to the next one is insectivorous plants. Insectivorous plants. We studied about the terrestrial plants, aquatic plants. The next one is insectivorous plants. The next one is insectivorous plants. insectivorous plants. Insectivorous plants. In insectivorous plants, we'll study it now. Some plants eat insects. They are called insectivorous or carnivorous. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ insectivorous ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರೇನ carnivorous. Please children see how many difficult words are there. So please concentrate on the spellings, okay? Okay. Insectivorous ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಏನಂದ್ರ plants ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಒಂದೊಂದು plants ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಅವು insect ತಿಂತಾವ, ಹುಳುಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಂತಾವ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ plants. ನೀವು geographic channel ಒಳಗೆ ಹಚ್ಚ್ರಿ, ಅದ್ರ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಏನಂದ್ರ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ plants ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಅವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, insect ನ ತಿಂತಾವ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೆಸರ insectivorous plants. Insectivorous plants. They have a special features by which they trap insect for food. ಅವು ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಫೀಚರ್ ಹೆಂಗೈತಂದ್ರ ಅವು ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಾವಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೂ ಇತ್ತಂತ ಕೊಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೂ ಐತಿ, ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರ ಬ್ಯಾರೆ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಳ್ಕೊಂತ ಅದೊಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತೈತೆ. ಫುಡ್ ಚಲೋ ಅದೊಂದು ಫುಡ್ ಕಾಣಿಸುವಂಗ ಅಥವಾ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಚಲೋ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಿಂತಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅದ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಚರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಳೆಯುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಇದು ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಅವು ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಾರ ಬಂದ್ ಅದ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಲ ಕುಂತಂದ್ರ ಪಟ್ನ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂತಾವು, ಪಟ್ನ ಅದ ಏನಾಕೈತಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಕೈತಿ. ದಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಫೀಚರ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. The Venus flytrap has a leaves. Venus flytraps ಏನಿದೆ ಅದೊಂದು ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, Venus flytrap. Okay, it will be like this structure. When insect go inside and eats it, suddenly close. Okay, which are like a boxes with the hands. They have a long hairs along the edges. When the insect touches their hairs, the leaves snap shut, trapping the insects inside. ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಉದ್ದನ್ನು ಲೈನ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಈಗ ಬರೋದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಪಟ್ ಅಂತ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತೆ. ಅದು ಪಟ್ ಅಂತ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿಂತೈತಿ. In the pitcher plant, the leaves are in the form of a pitcher, wide with a lid that covers the mouth of the pitcher. ಅದು ಹೇಗೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚೀಲ ಟೈಪ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಐತಿ ಚೀಲ ಟೈಪ್. ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಅದ್ರದ್ದೊಂದು ಏನೋ ಇದು ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನೋ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ತಿನ್ನಾಕಂತ ಏನ್ ಹೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಟ್ಯಾಪನ್ನ ಪಟ್ ಅಂತ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂತೈತಿ. ಟ್ಯಾಪನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೈತಿ, ಪಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡ ಆ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ನ ತಿಂತೈತಿ. Okay, we have so many that type of plant, children. There's so many plants we have, but they given a Venus flytrap and the pitcher plants. You can search it in the Google. Okay, in that they clearly mention what is the feature of that plant, how they eat, how they work, how they prepare food, everything they will mention. Okay, search in that. Okay, children, if you are interested in that, please search it and try to learn about it. Okay, then only you can get to know what is the next, what we can learn next, what teacher will tell next. About that you can start thinking when you start searching the things. Okay, okay. Next, your chapter closed. Okay, children, what we studied about in the insectivorous aquatic plants. We studied, yes, we studied about aquatic plants. We studied about what, terrestrial plants. Yes, we studied about everything. Okay, children, now we'll move on to our exercise. Okay, open your exercise, children. Exercise. Okay, first question, take correct the correct answers. Take correct the correct answer. First one, coniferous trees grows where? Where it grows? Coniferous trees, where we see that plant? Where we see it? Okay, they given options there. In marshy area, in mountains, in plains, or in a desert. Where we see that type of a plant, children? Yes, we see it in the mountains. We see it in the coniferous trees. We see in the mountains. I am writing on the board. See, exercise A main. First one, answer on mountains. Okay. Next one. Cactus plants grow in. The cactus plants grow in hills, waters, deserts, or grassland. I told you it grows in the cactus tree. Grows in the desert. Venus. Right. Fifth one. A most common feature of a plant that grows in a marshy areas. The breathing roots, spines, cones, or a green stems. Which one? Which one, children? A1, the breathing roots. Breathing roots. Okay. All the five answers we wrote it on the board. Yes. Okay. Copy this, children. Mark it in your textbook, and after marking, write it in your classwork. I want these answers to be written in a classwork also. Don't do here only. Only I don't want here in your textbook. I want it in the classwork also. Okay. Send me the classwork work. Don't send me the textbook work. Okay. After copying in the classwork these all answers, send me that image. Don't send me the book image. Okay. Understood? The textbook images I don't want. I want classwork images. Okay. That also with a pencil. Don't use pens, children. Write with the pencils only. If you do mistakes, then easily you can erase it and write it. If you write with a pencil, again you have to scribble that. Okay. So better use pencils only. To learn more things you want to use, you have to use pencils. Okay. Next one, match the following. Okay. Match the following. I am writing only answer here. B part. Okay. They given options here, and they given the next one, trees, plants, which is the name of that one. Okay. Pine. Pine. What is that pine? Coniferous tree. Pine is I will write here. Pine. Coniferous trees. Next one, lotus. Fixed aquatic trees. Aquatic plant. Next one, after lotus, hydrilla. Underwater aquatic plants. Next one, after hydrilla, pitcher plant. Pitcher plant, where it grows, insectivorous plant. Next one, bullmohar. Deciduous trees. What is that? Deciduous. Okay, sorry. Deciduous. Okay. These are the match the following answers. Match the following answer. What you have to do, children? First one also I given answers, and second one match the following. These are the answers. Please copy it in your classwork. I want. Okay. Again and again I am repeating that only. Please copy it in the which book? Classwork book. Okay. What all we did today? We completed the first main and the second main. I want today's homework is that only. What you have to do, children? You have to, on the board I have written all the answers. Okay. I mentioned all the answers. After watching the videos, just you have to write all the answers in your textbook. After that, copy in a classwork and send me the images. This is a homework for you. Complete this in the classwork book. Okay. After that, we'll move on to the answer the following question in the next class. We'll revise it in the next class and we'll see you. Okay. Send you the answers. Okay. See you tomorrow, children. Bye.